Good morning. It is Friday, July 28th, 2019, and it's 10 o'clock in the morning, and I want to show a cold start video and what you should look for in a NA Miata that is ice cold and hasn't been started in days. And in this section right here, you will see the recharging light, a picture of the battery, and a check engine light. And over here at some point, I believe is you're going to see the light for the airbag, and the airbag light stays on for about 10 seconds. And up here is where you're going to see the oil pressure, and you want to see that when on a cold start that jumps up there, somewhere is around 40-50 pounds. And over here is the temperature, and as you can see, it's laying on ice cold. So let's start the car up and see what happens. And you see, when I turn the key on, there's the check engine light, the battery light, and the airbag light. So let's go ahead and start this puppy up and check the oil pressure, and let's see that there is no check engine light or no battery light. It does have a brand new battery in it from Napa, and there's never been a check engine light on the car. So here we go. So as you can see, the check engine light went out, the battery light went out, the airbag light stayed on for about 10 seconds and went out. And as you can see, it's almost registering 60 pounds of oil pressure, and it's just slightly over 1,000 RPMs, and the temperature is cold. So this is exactly where we want it to be. And if you let it warm up a little bit, the RPMs will drop to about 800, which is normal. Or if I put it into drive, you'll see that it comes right down. And because it's ice cold and I put it back in park, it's a little over 1,000 RPMs. And to check to make sure that the temperature gauge is working, you'll see when I shut the car off, the needle will move. So that's to ensure that that's going on just fine. So that's what you want to see with the cold start, and there's just things that a guy wants to look for to make sure that when he buys a car for his wife or whomever, that he doesn't have any lights on that are indicating that there's a problem with the running of the engine.